Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. So in order to do this, first click on these three vertical lines present at the top right corner of your screen. Then once you're inside the menu, click on the settings gear icon. Then inside the settings and privacy page, you can see this Meta Account Center. Click on this Meta Account Center button and you will be led to the Meta Account Center page. Now from here, you can see this option which says personal details. Click on this personal details and you can see this option which says account ownership and control. Click here and it will give you two options. The first option is memorialization and the second option is deactivation or deletion. Click on this second option, then choose the Facebook account, and after this it will again give you two options. You need to select the first option which says deactivate account. It says deactivating your account is temporary. Your account and main profile will be deactivated and your name and photos will be removed from most things that you have shared. You will be able to continue using Messenger. So click on this continue button at the top and here you can see that it will ask you to re-enter your Facebook password. Then once you have entered your password, click on the continue button. Then here you can see that it is asking for a reason. Then you may choose any reason and then you need to click on this continue button right here. Then it will give you these details and you may choose any automatically reactivation time. If you don't want to reactivate automatically, you may click on this don't reactivate automatically button, but for right now I am choosing it to 7 days. Then simply click on this done button and click on the continue button and it will ask you for the confirm temporary account deactivation. You need to click on this deactivate my button account and then just wait for the process to happen. And here you can see that this ID has now been successfully deactivated. You may go back and here you can see that things will be starting fading away and you will be logged out successfully. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.